Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program an Audi A3 garage door opener. First, park your Audi safely outside the garage, ensuring you have clear access to the vehicle's interior and your garage door opener remote. Locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on the overhead console near the rearview mirror. Make sure your garage door opener unit itself has a Learn or Smart button, as this will be crucial for the final step. To begin, you will need to clear any existing programming from your Audi's home link system. Press and hold down the 2 outer home link buttons, the first and third buttons, at the same time. Keep holding them until the indicator light, usually located near the buttons, begins to flash rapidly. This usually takes about 20 seconds. Once it flashes quickly, release both buttons. Your home link system is now reset. Now, let's program your Audi with your handheld garage door remote. Select one of the 3 home link buttons you want to use. Hold your garage door remote control about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you are programming. Simultaneously press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. For the final step, you will need to sync your Audi with the garage door motor itself. Go to your garage door opener unit and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press and quickly release this button. The indicator light on the motor should illuminate for about 30 seconds. Immediately return to your Audi, and within that 30-second window, press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and hold sequence 2 more times to complete the programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.